ena a day and similar fee no my and abobo near Quachidi. Numbers say a month for start pre-season now. What are the end of the
next week?
Next week under Coach Bain.
For now, there's still Stanley Menzo now.
I mean, who's sporting director? Sporting director or pre-season? What will be that?
In his statement, my announcement until a substantive head coach will be appointed, he would handle all affairs, including coaching the season.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, our statement.
Oh, that's fine.
For now, I think.
No, that team will be what in here.
I would think.
Wow. But now also you know about. Okay.
I think a week with the
because I think go for Bab was a Diana started and about.
I think a week with the
now how started.
As they say no more that dean.
So what that means
has actually baby or more direction.
At least how to focus Abubakar Ouattara. Recently no coach has. They do their answer.
There's only a coach.
So
technical director.
I'll bet you want to advise. What is it?
You see, what's the
This way they.
So a technical director of football, yeah.
The sporting director, no.
Sporting director.
Then I make cassette. The baby. Senkomo other sports and the director of football because the football one on here. And to obey members almost sporting director. Okay, director of football has a book for no son.
I had
the known one because we also be a director of football to bench or baby. Okay.
I can assure you, but say will be very busy this week and next week.
Okay, very well. 11:32. By 11:40, no stories, no voices in I would do.
Now, who is a coach? No, coach, no, I don't know.
Coach, the
Kotoko coach, no.
Well, good day.
The other coach, Kotoko, no.
No, Bruni. I mean, I got to be a what to do.
Would they say, open, you know, where do you come? Oh, send the South African to be a car.
Or South African.
And this will be a car.
Oh, and
this will be a car. Said the way I
went and say, Name,
some are good in the second or 2 years system. Not to consume money 30, also be 80. $30,000. And I got to consume 80. And I got to consume to be
there's a difference. No,
the men's in a week.
Let's see the men will come on more coaches.
What the neighbor didn't. So, we recruitment team need to move Mojuma.
To the old bus is in over saying.
When you figure out the you go so a different come. So, this week could be busy.
Let's head in around 30. No,
it could be possible. It could be possible.
Okay.
And until the time I'm young corner, I can assure say Monsuru Kotoko be busy this week and in next week.
Oh, no, I'll point to my call for months.
I hear them, sir.
Oh, you're not sorry, we are not about the count.
2 years agreed, but both at financial loggerheads. Small standoff, 60,000 for a month instead of the 100,000. Signing on fee, 100,000, but Ghana will pay 50,000. Those are the challenges, and that is why Ghana has yet to announce Carlos Queiroz. The timer, nkomono akwenenum pa amasisi idea. Sikasem no ana ase akakakra bi. Eno kra no unse Carlos Queiroz na yet 100, but 100 na emu 80 ne ko no ne ho. Na 20 no was spread the ama ne nkra no dom bae no. But sisi Ghana ka chense yentimi ntua sa 80 no. Enti Ghana nena kam wa gisi statum system there obeje na se 20 no akonkra na hostel se ne kona no enti se yetime hwa so be 20 bi na mom sane on fi no e na ba bia papa na gi no ase Ghana esinka ye be 250 e no no so pe 100 enti se yetime so to ko wi a tama e no na se ye wi. If Carlos Queiroz stays, there is going to be a massive shake-up at the Black Stars. Partey, the new captain. Semenyo, deputy. Nyama, third captain. Derek Boateng, the new team manager. because the county no say count we say busrim ka say aka wadamfo because I say because count you win carry we dey e no so e beba waka kire wo mo say there button be omo man kwa no mfa dem ra
bronu there got we
I mean nim no tama but the waka kire mo na yati bi na so e kan bi wadaroma baby onim ni dey me kasa me nim baby onim no na say but your own party is now back as the captain.
Obeja tum so be captain.
Say me yakeka kon dia say omo clear ni pe bi ma fi wona afiaso ndia ba no no ayiti and semenyo na ebeboa no na fence niama so aye third captain no
niama be
enes niama
dia here ayi mo agwa abala no blaza no bam da be ogwe third captain
hey we show leadership coach ni so open papa say coach say wa hye was sisi ade Benjamin sorry and second choice hey wa hye no so hye
no nya mae no o enze ni bi ho tun amam fo nyune ne dem na eba eti wa kan di ajudi
how should be
Black Star.
Tama o say kudu onya return here. Tama yes start qualify in 2 months time.
Center back or take here
today. Tama say current leadership who problem on. Current leadership. Because party captain say enya wanwana
me dey okay kind there Black Stars hierarchy ne dey enu amam dey ombada ben boy obo 3 ya okwa FC Cologne Gideon munya mu ya tete Black Stars o
but then there's someone there mu kon there
we obi na atra dem asese
oh tama nkomo di nkomo dey yati bi
okay yo yentie
omo di nko
dey you nye danger man ke dey ke bebusa mu nsa ba nyare ye nkoi
tama we busa no ya no mo fan to horse house will be homeless when Ghana turns 70, and that is my worry, not choosing a coach. House empty, Ben Enuma.
My biggest worry is not who is coming to coach Artefok. I'm honest with you. The biggest worry of the board chairman is not who is to coach Artefok. The biggest worry of me is not who is to coach Artefok. It's not who is to play for Artefok. Obiasi Ghana be 70 years. It's a person who's on 20 half one. Is that not the case? Until we all support it. But the consequences is that here as Artefok, the biggest club in Ghana, the longest existing club in Ghana, the mother of all football clubs, will be homeless, or we might be homeless. It's my fear. That is our worry. Until we are in the business of football, we need to own a place of our own. That's number one. That's crucial. And that is the biggest vision of the board. The vision of the board, of everyone involved in the club, is that we think having a place of our own.
What? Tama, wasi oniti yare kese pa oniti wiase no. And say next year Ghana benya mfie duoso. Sa next year na no house be homeless, omunya ba bi mobo. House nya ba bi mobo. Omuko legon ya pamo omo. Aka stadium so yese be banda 20 be cruise no ne de CC. Eni eye ne dade o da wodwene na mo sora na house nkofa samabodu na house nkofa nibosa kepa na o se enyo nya de enka na dwendwe ho. Ende nka na dwendwe ho kra nti ma settle case na ma se obed nti no eno am na chiridin asem bia ne ho biem nti I will be the chairman for all. God will forgive me if I choose one region over another. Chairman Solomon Fesuare.
Ade a meya Nyankopon on fan cheme. Ene se me do region bi atan region bi. Menim se ada meye saa no, menim guase aba. Enti de bedi buna afo no, bedi Asante region pepe. Bedi no abedi Western region for pepe. Se me di no kra, oye maduro kra mingu. Enti abusuafo last season Kotoko ankoyi. De enti ankoyi no. Musu se den. Afa ye koyedum ede na yenye. A ede nsakraye ebeba. Nya adwendwen ho. Ye wia we die meka se obi a meda Kotoko achitafo nyina meda wonwano se eye dan ya chairman fuzi ne time beso chairman bi en one time beso amema na pa ho 1 month make on record me mo bi atiase afei local circle bia be me hu numbers o ni padodo o sa okoto ba yi local circle chairman kwa na oni fa abu census a untibi ntubi o wuntu eska bia ma Kotoko obeda kwa chese o persist afia na so persist afia afei ye beto region aba on record me kanene enya de a ye be yi nipa 2222 amom akoto ababiem eno so metwam
tama you see idea fabu census into bia we kotoko supporter up kotoko enroll on fabu census because a bad decision making who becomes the chairman at any level fabu census the chairman has spoken and that is it. The chairman has spoken and that is it. At all levels, at all stages, we decision making, we contribute to decision making and roll on public census according to the chairman. Asa, say first no. Now, told say circus elections, regional elections, national elections now. Now circle be a unipe two. Was it the BCC no? Circle be no. Say mo bia we second member to abani bi but e say nipa kono say won fabu census it will be circle na circle na egu
the circle ngomo na no odi o
circle say
David nsem wan die no ngomo
wo circle bebe circle na de na uni studio ha na
and was na ba for kan deputy de na we kwama oh, was it meant to no sir? Pennies a made channel.
Tama,
how will we find out?
The all contract states that board will get $50,000 compensation for 2 years.
Okay.
And he first Nanka owns Nanka also pay 50,000 Ghana because first old one year 30.
The casual.
Omokaya na kachire was okay. So say 30 na number 2 amode muncha 30 no. Or free board from America straight.
Okay.
Now Sami yeah, me week every year be more 25,000. Ti me 50,000 je na koye adwuma no. Simesi.
Captain.
We go. Come on, me for transfer dey nkito me nu mu e.
Omo so mrabi. Mr. Obede Champon.
Carlos Correz. So to adwuma no so. Interesting.
Omiem kakra.
Yeah, baby, ultimate baby generator. The whole issue is Motu. The I say, in a Tiasiama coach in here say, on say, when yambre, interfere behavior, by best traffic for the say, Omoma termination clauses no mumia. And my esroma. One qualify for AFCON, it means unity, and ya fina.
It is theatre.
See, I'm fine, because we ain't me and you be.
AFCON final now winning.
Termination yes sheba. When to be qualified for AFCON na hona you twem kura na. Say ko betime twes ka ma kura say nke be free no. Ye kwa AFCON ya free group stage a yetimi pam no. Ibrahim Manahe. Is AFCON kura biem third crowding third na ya dia.
Oje team ni di ba o. Egypt, Morocco, Cote d'Ivoire, Cape Verde, bona.
Because AFCON yetimi
Senegal
group dia say ye jakwan.
Anyway.
AFCON 1 year de kura last 8. 1 year de last 8. Near the Asibusa. Yem pe situation am too because the Krum na coach to ado entimi ava Ghana and qualify for AFCON. Now common akwa say there is no conditions him say when entimi ava Ghana and qualify for AFCON etimi janokwan. I mean that's the standard. Inti AFCON failure qualification panyan. Ufrim group stage panyan. Ufrim group stage krana o first match round of 16 ufrim and also panyan. Yenja okwan ni enko yenim. We need to secure the finances of the state. As I see a sign a contract in such a way that if the person fails, it becomes easy for us to move on. And this kind of say a castle we want to build a project there be and project no ho.
Also the mom sign contract your money pa.
Yes,
so because mom go sign broadcast contract.
Also we come some the del be say trimudo say den omo kwa na so ma sign baby ano ma sori aba. Bon say di nanu na say on semba ho a na say etwetwerebo. I think it's something we must look at. Number 2 has the Kotoko here you be on. Na me yes me na pese me kan was man me twen ma bosum ni kwa wie na make
line
5 seasons has in G League. 4 seasons got con G League. Amumi no. Moto. Recruitment and guarantee success, but a signs of something positive to happen. Yes. And you guarantee, there's a guarantee ni say as me to me the 2 series 2 amenya 1 seed na say eda ho. But recruitment nature signs of something positive ebesi. And I'm going to now be say a question about the technical direction of these two teams. Yeah, dear man, in common, yeah, dear to say, he say, born now, you know, more than chain. A shed the honor neighbor on his sim to and a hoarding. And who quite a bit of your chair for Mosono, or 1 year pa. Your freeze our time now is you, Papa Bitim Fitra, Nanny Bone to Udin Color and any coach, and your freeze our time, you know. It's a simple miracle, or a club legend. Now, being a team of coach here. You should prove it goes beyond you being a legend. Because I Chelsea Jalan Padaquine. Alonso bo Madrid for Jano Quine. Abelo as a Madrid Jano Quine. Yahu Barcelona or just having Quine. Yahu Juventus or Jan repel Quine. Or to say no, it goes beyond being a legend. So we're a former player. They are looking at people that would improve the team and take the team to the next level. Ediana right after losing Chuba. They're making it clear with Samuel Boadu. There have been issues, but it still looks like on there twice. Now I look at Midiama. Almost so many Janus was still with Tanko. Among Promo, Amo Comeni. Then when you come to Bekum Chelsea, Boadu Konom, they'll say why a barber show. I announcement. Emane Barber Tuane Jumaso. That here is Kotoko and Hard to Folk. Hard to Folk after letting go Didi Dramani. Comes back and tell all of us, say, coaching who now, coaching come plans.
And recruitment.
I mean, we don't know too. We need to get to a state. A coach should be involved in the recruitment of the club. It's a say no more kono, and no more bano. Ah, coaching now that you know. Now say him for the say man. Then you switch the coin to the other brother. And you see who she.
Sir,
of course, so too. That's time I make us say.
Director of football aba.
Okay.
Abe initial assessment.
Okay. Kotkoni management. Kotkoni management too.
So the board is now managing the team, which is allowed.
No problem. So the last statement about Yura Joe Shop was named as the executive chairman. Okay. The executive.
So they are managing it together with others.
Moto Ebra IMC no hon. I na nipa miensa. Ni nyina gitum so mu adwuma na bro so. Oto bajo uti when it was Tasuberi, when it was Nana Pinkra, Coach Ogumena Kwesi appear. Enough. So it looks like the last.
So they are to start. So
to start here away.
Because they can make the sporting director, no, a football director, a management member. They can co-opt Takuto. They have their plans.
The point we are trying to make is that
all right.
And those two teams should be setting the pace for the smaller ones to say 5 years has in G League, 4 years got G League.
Next year, one of them should win.
At least, even if the plan is not to win the league, even if say plan is not to win the league, it should be something that should be communicated to the fans.
That's it. Yo. Say nipa nusano.
Nipa den.
Board no so me trip. But now the Korean go for more boy or more adwuma.
Two question I see.
Okay, come on. We are better. Where's me on the meeting with Putin? Say, Omia Miansa. Ntias nipa na no so. Come near big one.
Bambese me be chairman. Board made decision to appoint Obi as director of football. To enke bibi nche.
Just one more appointment.
No, yes, I will just one more appointment. They want to move to a different direction.
Okay.
When you say Kotoko, you are appointed director of football in the history of the club. Tibia owner, Bema Boda, na beti.
I can't remember that portfolio.
It's on say, omo change your member. Like how modern clubs are being run in it. You can have a CEO. Our no Jumano mostly how to generate money for the club. On say one of the structure of the club, one say the commercial area, all those areas no, or more reported directly to the CEO. Then the sporting director, and after the director of football, also the concentration on how to build a solid team to compete on the pitch. Because all competing on the pitch now my results no. And no, and I was to the marketing area, which the final decision come from the CEO no. On so be so at the aton a club no. So to the CEO. Kaneno abema boda. Yes, CEOs ni bia bo my idea. But I think now combining the two or had the playing body at the same time or had the marketing area no. There be a football kono. to na ama adwuma na yedin because nipa no one go to players at the same time no one is go pesi kaba it's there be an divided a concentration or shahasha it me me feel say based on board no even their first appointment say they have a different view
of how football should be run,
especially Kotoko at this particular moment. And one thing is say when you me and say you as board members no the two oma wo hopping and omo who say this here it made me feel say yes AB appointments need be a delay but me their decision to even appoint director of football nko say board will be different na I think I see nyabo take akra mom
okay
so tell me chana say yes Carlos Cruz say I can have say in film you know but me from the minimum say everything is agreed I can say Bruni ne beba
no be sign
na say the beka komana no assign and a campaigner the Minister of Youth and Sports in a lady or say sorry for sports and recreation from me checks just say omoko work up no one area omo say coach no e handle ni ni say because of ni CV ni pedigree and baby o free ba no I said players no special respect for him and on him how to bring the players together now I setting the goal how mutimi achieve enti minister no hu enwoma bi a ofu said this blasters coach bema boa da obeboa baby kakra bi na me what doubt am pese me hwehwem unse nokure ni zozo coach ni wanyini ono ze baby a wodui success sem de mfa no
oh what only na home best success
oh say we asu dru baby a best stretch hu bebre o ana onim
minim sa
even stages of ages me to and ye tie ye na ye pre in your 20s and ye early 30s no ema boda who say nyoma bo anu twitwa so
Ronaldo
go pressure 70 sa nyoma
Ronaldo is
nyoma bia na ho pese ema boda be ko bi so tire me chena say e ho na me wo problem kakra with this coach the age no go 72 no wa hwe ana nyoma bi wo ho a na be ema boda
na guy go to us morning go for baby o akobi na not France or Lille as dey
e bon say zoto ye ha no indiscipline wa ha wo
yeah
ha djuma na eden chen ho de no
that's right you na I will be band ye fa de aka nko
for the way ye train omo from omo kora brim eno ye dika discipline omo dada
that's right
ba ye de ne ye tu afra
come amu
it wo manyiri enu time a wo bobra no when you be obey guide na discipline na be ma boda na ekofa problem aba
eden zama ba jibo me da say